So this video is to show you how to use the FramerTools. Now, what are the FramerTools? You might know the tool Framer. With Framer Studio, you actually open it up and you can create a project. And for example, I'm over here. I could actually do a layer, and I'm going to be able to modify it. So we like this tool very much, but the problem is this is not cross-platform, and also it's not also free. So an alternative to use this is to use the FramerTools. So you go to GitHub, make Interact, you will find the FramerTools. Now to install them, you will find in documentation some instruction for Mac and for the Windows. Perhaps we'll do another video to show you how to install these tools later on, but now I'm just going to show you how to use them. So you go to Bin, download your FramerTools. In my case, I already downloaded and extracted in my application. It's just a simple folder with a few applications here, something for installing, something for removing all the tools, and this one basically are the one you're going to need. So let's say I want to start a new project with Framer. So what I can do is double click on this. It will open up for me this application. Now I can go here in the template at the beginning and choose a name. So I call it simply project. Choose the location. Then I can choose some device. Basically, I can start from the web, iPhone, both of them, or I can also have the iOS kit and the material kit. So these are all the template. I'm going to choose right now the iPhone, and I'm going to use this for getting some sample code. Otherwise, it comes like a blank project. Then I initialize it, and then the folder has been created for me on the desktop over here, project. And I can open it up. This is basically a Framer's project. I can take it and simply drag it on my favorite editor. In this case, I'm going to use Sublime, but you can use also Atom. For instruction, again, look up online on the page. So if I do the app.coffee, I can see actually there is some original code. Now I want to visualize it. To visualize it, I can go here and do browser sync. Click on browser sync. This will start up. Let's see, it's behind, hidden somewhere. Let me start up. There we go. And I will have my project. This will start automatically my browser. This is containing right now my iPhone, and then here the animation, and here the code. So say you want to modify it. So let's say I don't want to have a border radius. Let's say I want to have I don't know, rotation of 90 degrees. I want to change the color to be green. Save it. There we go. Everything has been updated. Now there is a second feature of the FramerTools. Over here, you can go to snippet. Actually, also say stay on front. And now I can simply go among a bunch of different snippets that I basically copy and pasted from the Framer documentation page. So say, for example, I want to go to the default, which are the typical snippets that comes with Framer. Say you want to have the flow, you can take it, drag it. There we go, done. You can save it. I can see it happening. Now let's modify the code so that I can have the animation inside, for example, the flow. So what I could do is, first of all, I have to change the name of my animation. Let me call it simply Ani as animation. Then I'm gonna, in the layer A, which is the first page, I think is the blue one, I'm gonna simply say layer A, add child. Add child, and I want to add animation. If I save it, I see it over here. I also want to fix not on click, but instead I want to swipe my page. So for example, right now if I click it, it will animate but also move it. So I don't want to have this behavior. So let me swipe on swipe left, and this one on swipe right. Swipe right, there we go. I will save it. What I have is the swipe and the animation I have. And all of these, I can use any of these to help me out in this process. So I can actually just get any of these snippets and drag it in and keep on coding. All right, so this is the Framer tool. Again, this is just for simple setup. and this one contains the snippets. Thank you for watching.